welcome back again to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a yellow tint on this fog light of this Honda Civic 10th Gen. Okay, let's start. Remove the fog light cover first using pry tool. Make sure to remove the retainer clip at the corner. As you can see, it's a bit dirty, so we have to use a paper towel and an alcohol to clean the area before we install the vinyl. I bought this vinyl at Amazon, so if you're interested in purchasing this one, I will leave the link in the description box down below. The fog light size is 3.5 by 3.5 inch. Make a square and cut the vinyl in 4.5 by 4.5 inches. Peel the vinyl sticker and make sure to lay it flat in the middle of the fog light. Then apply pressure using your fingertip first, then use the squeegee later. This is the tricky part where you have to slightly heat up the vinyl and slightly pull the sheet to flatten the wrinkle. Cut the excess sheets. That's it. Vinyl sticker installation is done. Now you can put the fog light cover back.